Reports and Notify Me Assist are your personalized AI assistants that will help you do pre-orders and restocks the most optimal way. From high-level data insights to individual product data, we got you covered. Let's get into details about each one of them. Once you're here on the Back in Stock page, you will have 4 main metrics that will help you create a better strategy for your restock campaigns. Out of stock products shows you what products have generated the most demands in the past time frame. You can change the time frame from here. Let's say I want to see which products have been hot in the last week. I will change my time frame from here, and I can see how many products are trending. Now, once you click on it, you will see 3 main metrics, which are: this metric shows you an average order rate for your product in the time span you can set from here. Average time to restock. This data shows you the time it takes to restock a product from the time you gathered the first request. Average request age. And this one shows you the age of request on average, which you can see how much your users usually wait for restock of a product. Here on out-of-stocked product distribution age of requests, you can see a chart which shows the age distribution of your requests. You can also export all of these data by selecting requests you want to. You can also filter out the products by those in demand, trending, high potential, and discontinued. To get more insights about requests for your out-of-stock products, you can click on View Reports. You can see a chart of your requests and their status from here. You can also filter them below here. Let's say I want to see all of my orders in the last week from restock notifications, and I have them here. From here, you can see the details of your notifications based on each channel, which you can select from here. Once you're here down the page, you can see these with details such as notification status, such as sent, ordered, failed, and more. Here you can see the trend of your restock product sales with order prices and AOV. You can also see the details of all orders and each product's orders while filtering data.